Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Vids TV Official. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa High Prairie. Yan. Yun ang hospital nila, oh. Yan. Doon banda guys, umuulan na.
Anak ka ng pating 50.
Nandito kami ng town ng ng High Prairie.
Malapit na to sa Alaska.
South Industrial Area.
Iba naman.
Anong malapit na sa Alaska?
Oo, ilang.
Guys, ngayong buwan na ito, puro travel kami guys. Travel log ang ginagawa ko. Yan.
Farm machine yun.
Mga farm machines. Yan.
Dito, basic.
Then ito ang dealership, Chevrolet. Then yung days in nila yan, hotel. Maliit lang to na bayan guys. High Prairie. Whoops. Ano yun ng lag? Yan guys. Oh, KN. Dalawang nila dito ah. Oh, school zone to.
Makita na.
Oh, pedestrian. Maliit lang to na town. High Prairie. Alberta, High Prairie, Alberta to guys. Yan yung nila. Pero part din nila to. Ayan yung school. St. Andrew School. Yan. Liquor store. I-tour ko kayo dito sa High Prairie. Mais. Yan guys, oh. High Prairie. Yan, oh, sabi niya, High Prairie. Gateway to the piece of oil sands. Yan. Green na din. Guys, pagas muna tayo. Mahaba-haba pa ang travel. Okay guys, tapos na kami nagpagas. Full tank na naman. Dito tayo pa rin sa Eureka, ay sa High Prairie. Yan guys, High Prairie Provincial Building. Yan, provincial building nila. Yan. Yan guys, oh.
Logging.
Mga logging yun dun sa Co-op. Yun.
In 300 meters, slight right, onto Northern Woods and Water Route. Next slight right,
Administration
onto
building.
Northern Woods and Water Route.
Guys.
Slight right. Proceed about 13 kilometers on Northern Woods and Water Route.
Yan yung cementerio nila guys. Oh. Maliit lang. Okay guys, palabas na kami ng town center nila, ng downtown ng High Prairie. Oops. Ano to? Distracted driving law in effect. Yan. Yun yung mga kabahayan doon. Thank you again. Please come on Pitts River. Malapit na. Okay, wala na tayo sa High Prairie guys. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel, Viz TV Official. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless.